What are bonds? Bonds, also known as fixed income securities, are debt investments in which an investor loans money to an entity, typically a company or government, in exchange for interest payments and the return on their original investment. Bonds typically offer lower returns than stocks, but they are also less risky and can be a good option for those who want to protect their initial investment. Types of bonds. There are several different types of bonds with varying bond prices that investors can choose from, depending on their risk tolerance and investment goals. Government bonds are issued by the government to raise money for projects such as infrastructure or defense. These bonds are generally considered to be low-risk investments, as they are backed by the full faith and credit of the government. Corporate bonds are issued by private companies, and they tend to offer higher returns but also carry more risk. Corporate bonds are generally a good option for those who are looking for greater returns and willing to accept some degree of risk. Municipal bonds are issued by local governments, such as cities or states, in order to raise money for public projects, such as schools or transportation. These bonds are an attractive option for investors, as they typically offer tax-exempt interest and low-risk returns. Bonds are a commonly used investment tool and can be a good choice for those who are looking for safety and stability in their portfolio. However, it is important to do your research and carefully consider all of the available options before making any major investing decisions. How do I buy bonds? There are a number of different ways to buy bonds, depending on your individual preferences, the type of bonds you are looking for, and the bond prices. Some common methods include brokerage firms. Working with a brokerage firm is one of the most common ways to buy stocks, as these firms can help you navigate the bond market and find investments that meet your specific needs. However, this option can be expensive, as brokerage firms typically charge a commission for each transaction. Online platforms. For those who prefer to do their own research and make their own investment decisions, online trading platforms are a popular choice for buying bonds. These platforms allow you to purchase bonds directly from the company, often at lower fees than working with a traditional broker. Mutual funds. For those who want the support and guidance of a professional investment team, mutual funds are an excellent option for buying bonds. Mutual funds allow you to pool your money with other investors in order to purchase stocks or other assets. While these funds typically require more initial capital than other options, they can be a good choice for investors who want the security of professional management. To learn more about bonds, check out our previous video.